What's up, YouTube? This is Joe, and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while, I think 4 days since I updated this channel just because I've been busy with work and actually been doing a lot of trading and getting heavily involved in that. So just want to tap on the markets here. Before we get into that, go ahead and do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell icon next to it. That turns on post notifications. And what that does is every time that I release a video, it's going to send you an email that I released. And I'm actually going to start making a few of my trading calls that I'm going to be investing in on my daily trades. So you're going to want to know exactly when I produce these, so you'll know when to, if you want to invest with stuff that I'm doing exactly at the moment. So let's go ahead and get into it. Just a market recap, the altcoins have continued to be on an incline, a rise, just killing the market right now. As you can see, we are at a $763 billion market cap in crypto. When I got started, this was around 250 billion. So pretty much 3 times the amount of volume daily. The Bitcoin dominance has reduced down to 34%. I see this going down to around 25% as the altcoins have really pretty much taken over the market. Bitcoin, it's actually trading around 15,200 right now. This totals are actually a combined average of all the exchanges, and you got BitHum that usually trades at a premium over in Korea that is actually, trading Bitcoin around 20,000 right now. So this is actually in America, it's trading Binance, it's going to be around 15,100, 200, somewhere in there. But as you can see, a lot of stuff kind of red and green, but most of everything's been red. Altcoins did see a little drop today when Bitcoin kind of went up to past 15,000 about between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock today. But big movers, Tron over the last couple of days has absolutely killed it. This thing has ran up so much, and this is probably one of the most profitable coins, probably the most profitable coin within the last week. I'm going to actually go over here to Coinigy, and actually this guy's has been my new layout. I used to use TradingView, but I've kind of switched over to Coinigy just because I like the layout better. I can find my coins easier. You can set a favorites list. They have every exchange in the world listed over here. You can go to Binance, Bitfinex, Poloniex is down here. So any exchange is on the left, and then all your coins are on the right. So it's just real user friendly. They actually have a free 30-day trial. I'll leave a link in the description below that you can click on that and sign up for Coinigy. It's free. But I really like this chart a lot. And my actual call is actually going to be this chart right here, which is THC. And this is to BTC on Bittrex. And you're looking at the hourly right now. And if you notice what this is doing, we're in an upward trending pattern right now. And it's trading within, these two lines here. What I'm looking for is what it's actually starting to do right now is gain some support and start turning up. If we get some support right here and start moving up, I feel like you're going to have some room to do a day trade, a swing trade that is really going to put you in this area here. We're going to start going up here, bounce off here, and then go up this way right here. So if this continues to gain some support and we see this upward trend right here, I'm going to start investing in THC and look for that to keep following this upward trend pattern there. So that's actually a call that I'm going to make today. This isn't investment advice, financial advice, but if I see this, I'm going to invest some money in here and wait for it to go up. Could be, you're going to wait for this. If you go to the daily, you're going to see this has moved a lot. So, you don't want to get in unless you see that upward trend coming. So a couple followers of mine have asked me about Tron, and I invested in a Tron at 3 cents, and we're on the daily here, and you can see how crazy it went over the last day and a half, 2 days. I actually took profits or set a stop loss at 615 Satoshis, and it dropped down there and it skipped me out of all these profits, which, sucks, but what are you going to do? I did take profits, but I'm definitely not buying in up here, guys. There's a lot of big investors that are getting in, and I think that are actually pumping this. So I expect this Tron to drop back and have a big correction, 50% correction at least, over the next 2 days or so, hopefully. And then that's when I'll get back into Tron. If we do a Fibonacci retracement and we look at it, my buyback in area on Tron is probably going to be somewhere in this range here. So anywhere between 1,000 and 1,100 Satoshis is going to be a good target buyback in. I feel like we're going to just, consolidate and correct back to here, and then maybe bounce up, and then just kind of maybe keep this trending going upward. But you never know. I'm going to keep my eye on Tron, pretty closely. Also, along with Cardano, as you can see, Cardano has had a nice run up here, and if we do a Fibonacci retracement on Cardano, I don't know why I can't say that tonight. Here we can see that it's almost pulled back from its yesterday. It started this, or on the 31st and the 1st, it was in here, and then it made a nice little run. But as you can see, it's almost pulled back to the blue zone where I like to rebuy in. So I'm looking at a buy in here, which is around 6,500 Satoshis. So if you're looking at Cardano, go ahead and kind of make a move here. It should drop in here somewhere, maybe bounce around, and then hopefully it'll shoot back up, or do something like that. But I'm not a technical analysis by any means. I've just started dabbling in this, but I have been doing a lot of research and doing a lot of this. So hopefully it'll work out the way I'm expecting it to. But other than that, Bitconnect's been working out good, still getting roughly a 1% payback daily. Total I've earned on Bitconnect is $6,660, and that's what I'm doing, is transferring that out and then investing in other altcoins right now. Hashflare, a lot of guys have been asking me, how's the Hashflare going? Hashflare is actually going good. I had a week, last week was down. It was only paying me about $110, $115. But since the Bitcoin prices went up, difficulties actually went down. Right now I'm averaging about $168. So as you can see, my last payout I took out 6 days ago. And you can't withdraw Hashflare until you get 0.05 Bitcoin in your account. So this has been 6 days worth. If we go 0.05, 908861 times, let's just say 15,100, which is the current Bitcoin price, 892 divided by 6, roughly $158. So roughly a $20 maintenance fee is added onto this, so that's subtracted from my Hashflare mining. So with this and Bitconnect averaging $300 to $400 a day, just depending on the percentage on Bitconnect. So taking that and investing in other altcoins right now, and it's been paying off well for me. I've pretty much tripled my portfolio in the last month and a half, so going really well. Guys, go ahead and follow me on Twitter at Joe B. Bird. I'm going to be making, if I see a coin that I'm like and I'm going to make a call on it, I'm going to be posting it on Twitter here. So go ahead and follow me on Twitter. Also, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, you're on the page, so go ahead and subscribe to it. And every day I give away free Litecoin. to somebody who comments from the previous video. So if you want to be entered into the chance to win on tomorrow's video, all you have to do, write a question, a comment below in the comments and leave your Litecoin wallet, and I'll send you free Litecoin. So let's go ahead and pick today's winner. And last video had 14 comments. And James is the winner. He says Bitconnect pays out have dropped to 0.5% of an average over, even though the volatility is very high. Concerning? Not really, James. What Bitcoin or Bitconnect, the Bitcoin's price has really not been volatile. It's been, 13,000 to 15,000 at the most. So really haven't been seeing them big swings, and really Bitcoin hasn't been moving. So, that's why I think the payouts have been a lot less. Once these altcoins, once Bitcoin takes over the dominance, and within a couple of weeks, I feel like that the altcoins are actually going to shift, and Bitcoin is going to take a little bit more dominance, and Bitcoin's going to make a run, and the altcoins are going to pull back and have an effect on that Bitcoin moving. So I've actually been thinking over the last couple of days is, my exit strategy of the altcoins, trying to get as much money into Bitcoin as I can for that move. I'm expecting that move. I need to play that move, and that's what this market does. Bitcoin goes on a run, and the altcoins just kind of lag behind, and then the altcoins go on a run, and Bitcoin kind of lags behind. So that's where we're at right now. The altcoins are still in the show, but soon Bitcoin will gain the dominance back and still the show and go on its run. So when that time is ready, make sure you're able to get out of your altcoins pretty fast, get your money into Bitcoin, because it's going to be a big swing. And, I see it, if we break the $16,000, $17,000 mark, we are going to have some resistance at 20K. But after that 20K, if we can break through that with no problem, I can see it going, probably all the way up to 25, maybe even 30,000. So, that's what, I'm predicting. Probably, I think we'll hit 20,000 by the end of January for sure. Probably 30,000 by the end of February, honestly. So, but, you never know. This market's crazy. You never know what's going to happen. Ripple, I thought, would just go up and come down. It still manages to amaze me. I have not yet bought into Ripple. I'm not going to buy at those highs, because as soon as I buy in there, it's going to tank and I'm going to get burnt. So there's plenty of coins. If you don't get in on a coin, don't worry about it. Don't FOMO, which FOMO means fear of missing out. Don't FOMO, and don't buy into a coin that's skyrocketed 100 to anywhere from 50 to 100%. I would say do not buy that coin. Wait for a correction. Be patient. Wait. It will correct at one point. It has to. It doesn't have to, but it will. I mean, it's healthy for correction. So once it corrects, you see a coin that you want, wait for the correction. It will happen. Then you buy in. Then you will make a lot more money. Just be patient and let the market come to you. Don't go to the market. So let's go ahead and give James his Litecoin. James, I really appreciate you following, and please continue to comment, ask any questions, guys. If you want to see a video on something, just write it in the comments below. Okay, oh, that scared me. I thought it said 962 sending, but $10. Yeah, there you go, James. And your Litecoin is on the way. So, guys, thank you once again for watching this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Remember, follow me on Twitter. If I have anything coming out, I'm going to post it on there first. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.